Okay, how much does a plane cost? एक Akasa का plane कितने रुपए का होता है?
It's typically what we call sticker price, right? The sticker price of these narrow body jets are somewhere in the $110 million range, or maybe plus minus.
Which is 800 crores, 900 crores.
But that is not the price that
You buy
airline is paying, right? And that is, of course, a secret number.
Of course, because सबका negotiated price है.
Correct, exactly.
But that's a price you pay. And then there's negotiation power जितना.
That's right.
And a large, जैसे A380 type, बहुत बड़ा double decker type.
$300 million, $400 million.
2500-2600 crore.
Yeah, and actually it's not just a double decker. Like it's, some of the more efficient airplanes, अब क्या है कि it's जब ये वाइड बॉडी एयरक्राफ्ट पे जाते हैं ना, तो बहुत कुछ वो मिशन कैपेबिलिटी पे होता है कि एग्जैक्टली मुझे इतने नॉटिकल माइल्स में प्लस माइनस जाना है, विच इज़ द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट एयरप्लेन, उसमें इंजन बर्न कितना होगा, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट कितना होगा, कितने पैसेंजर्स को मैं कैरी कर सकता हूँ, कितने स्पीड पे कैरी कर सकता हूँ. So there's a lot of factors that come in.
Do you fly private now?
No.
कभी सोचा है private jet?
I've only flown a private jet once. Okay. Only once, and that too because we were in those days associated with a business, aviation business, and I had flown a small leg. I've like
never flown private. But do you wish to have a private jet?
No, not at all.
क्यों?
Not at all. मुझे कोई मतलब उसमें
100 प्लेन है मेरे, क्या करूँगा एक?
मेरा कोई मतलब उसमें कोई वो नहीं है कि I mean I'm not, first of all, I'm not that important कि मुझे every minute counts. I can easily wait for the commercial schedule and the slot. And once you get onto these wide body airplanes and आप अगर बिजनेस क्लास फ्लाई कर रहे हैं या फ्लैट बेड है, लोग आपको खाना वाना दे रहे हैं, आपको क्या जरूरत है
प्राइवेट की? What's the best seat money can buy? कौन सी सबसे बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस फ्लाइट का होता है?
1 Charlie और 1 Delta on Akasa.
I either take 1 Foxtrot or 12 Foxtrot. This is my permanent seat.
Yeah.
For me, it's that. 1 Foxtrot or 12 Foxtrot. Like it's
You're a window seat person.
Oh yes, because मेरे को एक साइड ना से सोना पड़ता है.
Okay.
So that's the. But apart from that, tell me which.
I think
is it a Q suite or is it like a Singapore Airlines first suite?
I have not flown that.
जो 1 BHK दे
I haven't flown that, but from whatever I see on Instagram, that one looks fantastic. Even that Qatar ka suite where it becomes a double bed or something like that looks pretty interesting.
So I was flying from India to Paris. एंड मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्यू स्वीट बुक करने की कोशिश करता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत हाइप हो रहा था इंस्टाग्राम. लेट मी ट्राई दिस, ओके, लेट मी सी दिस. वो 9 महीने एडवांस बुकड है.
I'll tell you
9 months in advance the whole flight is booked.
Somebody was telling me recently कि in this transatlantic, मतलब जर्मनी से यूएस जा रहे हैं, यूके से जा रहे हैं, फ्रांस से जा रहे हैं, a lot of these times people who used to otherwise fly private are beginning to fly these. And that's why they are booked out months and months in advance.
And it's crazy because a lot of people who fly private and can afford timings and को fixed schedule होता है because of managing offices different times. They are now opting out of that and then choosing these flights.
Private aviation definitely has a use case study because एंड इंडिया में भी होगा. देखिए, जैसे लोग फैक्ट्रीज बनाएंगे इन रिमोट एरियाज, अब वहाँ पे मान लीजिए आपका कहीं जगह है जहाँ पे सिर्फ दिन में एक फ्लाइट जा रही है, you can't wait for 24 hours to come back and this thing. So there will be use cases. There will be. Helicopters will happen. Of course, my big bet right now is on these vertical takeoff electric airplanes that we are trying to develop. But of course, those are for urban mobility, right? 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers.
Navi Mumbai to Mumbai.
Nariman Point to
Dubai is investing very heavy on these flying taxis,
there'll be lots of places in the world where they're highly congested cities or mountainous areas, remote areas. There'll be a lot of that's why this E-plane company is. I mean, we're very excited about
this. Is future. Which one is the most profitable route?
It's very simple and very hard to answer because there is not one. The simple way to do it is any route where there is very little capacity that becomes profitable. So it could be a Delhi Dehradun someday because only two flights are there. Lots of people want to fly, fares go up. Or it could be something where, so it's really driven by that capacity demand mismatch.
Okay, but tell me, बहुत सारे मैंने देखा है कि politicians and like जिनके connections होते हैं, वो लोग बाहर से कार में बैठ के सीधे फ्लाइट के उधर ही उतरते हैं एंड वहीं से ऊपर जाते हैं वहीं से वापस आते हैं. उनका कोई सिक्योरिटी वगैरह नहीं
होता है. There are only a few people who are allowed and that is a separate security protocol altogether.
Okay.
That's a separate security.
So it's allowed.
Yeah.
So you don't get that?
No.
क्यों?
नहीं यार, I'm not that important.
I see. You are a...
No. I'm not that important. I have no even illusion that I'm not important. मुझे ऐसा
But you have an airline. That's your baby.
I have no such illusion that.
But only like...
If anything, back to what we had originally started off with, you have to actually lead by example to say that, you should.
So that's the last thing you would be doing. Yeah. Give me a cost breakdown. Delhi to Bombay अगर एक flight होती होगी तो कितने रुपए लगते होंगे चलाने में?
Again, it depends on...
Basic, give me a rough idea.
Again, it depends on like... it changes month on month,
Give me any good month.
No, because the fuel price will change, the duration will change. So it's very...
A 2-hour flight...
It'll be under 20 lakhs,
okay.
But it could be... There could be a lot of variation. If fuel is at $60 a barrel versus fuel is at $85 a barrel, it'll change.
But 20 lakhs के
कम ही होगा.
Yeah. So it makes... And if somebody has to book like a full airline,
that is a complex thing because whether you're booking that entire aircraft on the normal schedule and the normal slot, or are you actually booking it where other flights have to be cancelled, then all that will get priced in.
Thank you so much ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.